Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to playlist CSS Solve Objective Past Paper. Today we will discuss Solve paper of Pakistan Affairs 2017. Anjuman Himayat Islam was founded in September 1884. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 92 by R.D. Banerjee. Current Ambassador of Pakistan to China, Masood Khalid. The Shimla deputation met the Viceroy, Lord Manto. Author of My Life a Fragment, Muhammad Ali Johar. 7th Prime Minister of Pakistan, Malik Feroz Khan Noon. 18 Amendment to the 1973 Constitution was passed on April 8, 2010 in National Assembly and April 19, 2010 in Presidential Assent. Friday declared official holiday on July 1, 1977. PTV started its color transmission in 1976. Who led funeral prayers of Quaid-e-Azam, Shabbir Ahmad Usmani, Pakistan's largest artificial lake, Kinjahar Lake. Writer of Humsafar, Farhat Ishtiyaq. First Vice President of Pakistan, Nur al-Amin. National anthem composed by Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chagla. Total number of US Electoral College vote 538. Indian to receive Pakistan's highest award, Morarji Desai. Total number of basic Democrats in 1965 18,000. Recipients of Nishan-e-Haidar 10. First embassy in Pakistan opened by Iran. US ambassador who died with General Zia-ul-Haq in plane crash, Arnold Lewis Rifle. Thank you for watching us.